Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm finna do a new video for y'all right now. Well, let's look at my fit real quick. Oh, I'm currently cleaning up my trash bags and stuff off the floor from when I went to the store. But today, we are going to be doing cooking with Teazy. Oh, rude ass. Hey, JR, nigga. Ain't it a blessing? Kill me if I snitch, because if you snitch, I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna attempt to get these pods down. Let's see what happens. Oh, my neck. Okay, my dad was right. Okay, my dad was right about the rod there.
She's struggling.
I'm even standing on a stool. This is why I need a boyfriend that's 6 feet tall at least, because when we marry, you see what's gonna happen? I can't even reach up on this shoe to get the pots down. But I'm really 5'9".
Disclaimer.
Dad, you were right about the rod being in the way, how I was going to get the pots down. I said I was going to get it because I have a stool. But apparently you was right, so my B. So y'all, we in the kitchen. Sarah's setting it up. This is what the kitchen looks like right now. So if you see it in the video, that's not me. That's not me. That's not me right there. Peep the jacket, y'all. Do y'all like it? Oh yeah.
You better, because she ordered another one.
Oh yeah, I ordered another one. So if y'all don't like this one, y'all gonna like the next one. Okay. But merch coming soon for Teazy.
Come on.
Alright, y'all. It's really hot in here. I don't know why I put this jacket on. So today we gonna make hamburger helper. It's a basic food to make. So let me tell y'all, cooking with Teazy, it's right now we on level 1. So we're gonna go to level 2, 3. So it's not gonna be basic hamburger helper, you feel me? It's gonna be some other stuff. I can't tell you yet. Just this way. We got the ground beef. But peep this. I got beef in my hand. But I don't condone violence. Just let y'all know that.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I don't got all my seasonings though, so don't come for me. I got garlic salt, right? You know, black people gotta have their glory seasoning salt. If you don't use this and you black, you're not black. I got my minced onion, garlic powder, different than garlic salt, and onion powder.
You ain't got that Worcestershire sauce?
No, I don't.
Dang.
But once I get an apartment, I'll have all the spices. And I got black pepper.
This white pepper.
It's spicy. And in my pot's pan. I mean my pot.
Your measuring cups, you mean?
No, you can put it over here.
Well, sorry, fine.
My measuring cup and my lactate milk, because I don't drink regular cow milk.
No discomfort.
So let's get started. So we're gonna rinse out the pot because this is a brand new pot. I don't know where the...
Oh my gosh, where that been?
Yeah, I don't know where it's been. It's been on machine and stuff, so you
the robot's been handling it.
Why does water look like that?
Cause it's dirty?
That's nasty. It ain't dirty, that's what the water looks like.
It's cause it's like, it's hot, probably.
You right?
Yeah.
Better be. That better be the reason.
Oh, let's see. Oh wait.
Oh yeah, we gotta turn on the
I'm gonna
second
film
camera.
myself turning it on. There we go. Look at that. Wow.
So now we gonna turn it on.
Duality is man. Okay.
We're gonna put it on 6. No, we're gonna put it on 9. F it.
Wow. 9. Could you sing at the pop?
Sarah.
What's up?
Hot in the middle. Hey, I downloaded it. You thought I was dead? No, alright. So we just gonna put the pan, the pot heat up, right? Oh my god! Did I
Forget something?
Where my spoon?
Where my spoon go?
I'm gonna have to use my hands. Got my spoon.
Oh my god.
We just gonna wait until the pot heats up. I need you to focus on me because that camera recording that.
Oh wow. Wow, this is a 2-camera setup.
Yes, it's a 2-camera setup.
I'm not used to this. This is luxury.
And I didn't bring a knife.
You be careful with that, bro.
I'm about to drop all on the floor.
Now it's really ground beef. It's oozing. Wow. Oh. Oh. Wow. That looks like some food from the chum bucket.
My face, Sarah! My face!
What about it?
It's ugly. Anyway, yeah, you gonna mix, right? Sarah!
I didn't do nothing.
Attention, I need a new cameraman. I'm not used to, I don't know, using little portions of stuff. So, it's never me. I don't think it's gonna be enough, but we gonna see. So first, I have a particular order in which I season my stuff. So I start off with the salt. And I'm not used to cooking next to a wall either.
Go run straight into it.
You don't want too much because garlic salt is a lot. It can overpower you. Put the pepper in.
Yeah, Papa with the Google white sleep, leave. I'm the king of my city and I days one.
Oh yeah, and then don't over season it because there's a package of seasoning for the hamburger.
Dipped out in a room full of drugs.
Onion powder.
I just broke on the mix and now I'm powder. It's so bad that she must be that she know her.
Hope you like onions.
Wow.
And then you whip it.
And then you whip it.
It shouldn't be that sensitive in here. It's a kitchen.
Promise if the smoke alarm go off, I'm finna laugh.
Huh?
I said if the smoke alarm go off, I'm finna.
I'm gonna blame it on you. Think about meat. If the meat ain't a certain color that's supposed to look right, I add more seasoning. See, I'm the type of cook that can eyeball season, so I don't gotta measure. I season to taste. Oh, and it should have the smell too. If it don't have the smell, it's wrong.
That smell, the kind of smelly smell. A smelly smell that smells smelly.
Y'all ain't seen nothing. This shouldn't take too long because it's not a lot of hamburger meat. Because it's almost done actually. Oh, look at the car. That's a crap. I'm not used to that.
I enjoy
I
it.
need to look at the digital clock. So I do. What time is it?
Oh,
Is that broke?
yeah.
Showing
No,
me.
it's not. Yeah. That ain't right. Okay. You can tell by the pain that it's good.
Alright, it's gonna fire off, right?
Yes. That's some meat.
Now I gotta drain it. Bomb, guess this. Look at this. I don't gotta strain it.
So,
We gonna nigga rigid. You feel me?
Nigga rig. To assemble or fix something using very crude manners stems for the words nigga and rig. Nigga representing one who is most likely black or lives in the ghetto. Not me though. Although not used racistly in this definition. Rig representing how you fix something. I rigged that up good. Nigga rig is a very versatile word. It could also mean something that has been assembled using crude or ghetto techniques.
If you are not a part of the African descent, please refrain from using Nigga rig.
We gonna
Actually, it doesn't have
a struggle right here.
to drain.
There we go. Okay. Yeah.
Hey, I can pour it down the drain because it's water. It's lean. This ain't oil, so don't come for me.
Gosh, don't have enough meat to begin with.
Consequences. Okay.
That's what happened.
So now what you gonna do? We just wanna do one bag, cause that's just what we're gonna do.
Save one for
I haven't
later.
made this in a long time. So this is
Hey, it's the
stir in one.
idle.
Yeah.
Okay.
Stir in one. So now we about to stir in the package seasoning, the milk, and the water.
There's the milk.
So
Here's the water.
I read the box when it say 1/3 of a cup. I eyeball it because I ain't gonna use another cup for the 1/3 amount. Like I know how much that is, and sometimes the amount that they give you on the box don't be enough. So
Okay. Ooh, yeah. Back on the eye.
Oh my god. Oh my god, he on SK's mode.
this is basically brown gravy mix. Just to let y'all know, sorry to spoil it, but this is brown gravy mix in a package. FYI.
You really gonna expose Hamburger Helper like that? Wow.
They mix it like this. You suck on milk. Another reason why I use lactate milk is because my daddy lactose intolerant. I stole his milk one time and it was fire in my cereal. So I just like it now. So you pour.
Look at that, being left-handed. Oops. Not convenient for the camera. There we go.
Oh, you see that green little leaf in there? That's that seasoning, boy, from that garlic salt.
Oh my god.
You see that?
Let's see.
You see that?
Wow.
Oh my god.
That's authentic.
You can look at it. It's coming up to the surface. I made a mess and I got it. Okay, so now we just gotta wait for it to boil. No, we just gonna wait for it to boil. So.
I'll see you in a minute. That was very serious.
And then you just gonna fix it up in there. And then you just gonna damn.
Hit it with that top.
I gave it top.
Okay.
Is it running?
Yeah.
Y'all guess what? It's done. It's done. Hey. Look at it. Oh my god. Look, you just see, look at that. I'm finna wash the dishes. You finna go back to the
Amazing.
Yeah. Put the stuff away. So I can put this in the bowl.
I'm finna
I don't
do
know.
what?
We gonna figure it out.
Yeah.
Tell me, y'all. Do y'all like my new intro song? Oh my god, Sarah. Sarah like it because she be singing it all the time.
I sure do. I sang it once, right? Total of
The
once.
TV is on.
Oh my gosh.
Oh well.
Y'all gonna have to lip read or something. Shoot.
Tell me if y'all like my new intro song.
It's Teazy. Teazy, yeah, trick, I stay fly. Posted in that mid-south. Is it a blizzard or a brainstorm? To watch on my wrist and make you freeze. It's a brainstorm. Yep, that's why them haters hate my swag. Cause I'm always stunting.